Next.
All passengers are requested to proceed to gate number 10 immediately. Thank you. Air India, flight number AI523 to Delhi will soon be ready for boarding. We would like to invite several members of our esteemed armed forces from Army, Air Force, and Navy to board first. Passengers requiring special assistance and passengers traveling with infants may come forward. First class, business class, flight returns, platinum and logo members and Star Alliance members may board at their own convenience during the boarding process. All other passengers may keep their boarding passes ready for sequential boarding. Thank you. This is the final boarding announcement. All passengers traveling 6907